Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video we are going to be learning how to draft a basic sleeve pattern. If that's something you're interested in, come with me and let's get started. The distance from your shoulder to your bicep is 5 inches, but you can go lower like 6 or 7. Now this is going to depend on the kind of sleeve you're willing to get. Guys, for you to get this part, all you need to do is take your tape and place it around your palm. So here I have 9 and I'm just going to push it down to my wrist and pull it in up to 8 to see if it will still go up to my palm, but it didn't, so I'm just going to go with 9. So I'm going to do 9 divided by 2 and I got 4¼ 4½. So I'm just going to place it here and mark it out, and I'm also going to put in my 1½ inch sewing allowance. I'm just going to connect all the lines together, so from bicep, the elbow to the full length of the sleeve. This is what we have for the sleeve right now. The next thing I'm going to do is add a 1/2 inch allowance round this before I cut. Now that we're done with that, if you decide you want to get a short sleeve, you can still use the same pattern. The only difference will be the length of the sleeve. Now, you want to get a short sleeve, you could just use the same pattern but mark out 8 or 9 or 10. It depends on how long you want your short sleeve to be, and then you can add 1 inch for your hemming allowance. If you want the sleeve you're going to get to be a 3/4 sleeve, it's the same thing. Just know that your 3/4 sleeve is going to end up at your elbow. That's where your 3/4 sleeve is going to be ending. And yeah, right now I'm just labeling this short sleeve, and I'm going to also label long sleeve so we know where is where. Okay guys, this is everything. This is the whole sleeve, and here we have the short sleeve. If you look really closely, you'll see the 3/4 sleeve, and then we have the whole sleeve, the full length of the sleeve. I hope you guys found this really helpful. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Don't forget to love yourself because I love you. Bye.